You already created a data, analyzed the data, everything is done. Now you are planning to take a print of the document. Okay, print of the data. This entire data print you would like to take. Okay, at that particular time, when you use a control P for the printing, you will use a control P. Control P, you can check the preview. You can check the preview here. You can see here preview is cut. Some of the four sheets are there. Okay, and the data is not arranged properly, and we don't have page numbers. We don't have a header or footers for your print. Okay, we don't have anything here. Okay, everything is missing and unnecessary data, everything is the getting printed. To avoid that one, what we can do, we can set the printing. How to set the printing? We have to go to page layout and say print titles. Go to the print titles. Once you select the print titles, first it will ask here, first we start from the page. Page should be portrait or a landscape. Based on your data structure, you can select the portrait or landscape, vertical or horizontal format. Then it comes to a like a changing a aspect ratio, like 100% it has to show or less than that one. Then you can change the paper size here, which size paper you are going to use. Okay, like this you can change the paper size here. Okay, you can say check the letter. Like this you can select the paper size. Similarly, go to margin. You can decrease or increase the margin. Top margin you can increase or decrease the top margin. Okay, you can left right, this margin you can increase or decrease. Then it comes to the header and footer. Main thing, header and footer. Here I will say custom header. Here itself you can write page number, everything. Or else I would like to write my own header, so I will go to custom header and I can write it here, what to be shown in the left hand side, what to be shown in the right hand side, and what to be shown in the center of the header. Okay, I can say on a left hand side insert a date. Okay, at the right hand side insert a time. At the center, name of the company. Okay, this is the header I need. Then say okay. Then custom footer. Here footer left hand side, I need a page number. I need a page number on a left hand side. Okay, and on a right section I would like to say something like conp, like this. Okay, like this I would like to say. Okay, now you have been selected all these things. And if you go to the sheet, okay, for example you need a grid line, you can select a grid line. In your printer, so you need a grid line, then you can select the grid line. Okay, row and column heading, if you like to get, you can get it done. Or if you like to repeat any of the rows, okay, rows to be repeat, any of the rows to be repeat each and every time, you can select that one, which row to be repeat in each and every time. This header to be repeat each and every time. Okay, here which column to be repeat each and every time, column repeat. For example, I say invoice number to be repeat each and every time. I can say column repeat, not be possible because we haven't merged the column. For that reason column repeat will not be possible here. If you are not having any merged cell, you can select one particular column. Then you can say okay. Once you have been set everything, you can say okay. Then one more thing, only this particular section you would like to get printed. For that reason what we can do, we can select that particular thing. Okay, which one you would like to get printed, select that one and go to print area. Here in layout itself, print area, set print area, set print area. Now if you take a print preview, control P. If you say click outside also, control P. Now you can see the only that particular area has been selected. Only that particular area has been selected for the printing, and you can observe header, whatever we have written on a header, it is there in a header, footer, page number, as well as the whatever we have been written in a footer. Okay, like this we can customize your printing as per your requirement by adding a header and footer as well as a print area. By setting a print area, only the thing which one you would like to print, that one you can select and you can say print area. If you like to clear that one, you can say clear print area. If you don't want to, if you like to print each and everything, you can say clear print area. Okay, this is the way we can set for a printing.